Here is the code for the, or here is the flow for the program. We are simply using a switch connected to GPIO output and a notification for each of the outputs, and when the switch turns on, uh, the GPIO pin, in this case it is pin 31, it turns on, and also a notification is sent to the user through the dashboard. So this is the setup for my final project. Here we have the Raspberry Pi powered by a portable power bank, and then GPIO pins are connected to a breadboard, which are then connected to the enable pins of the relay board, and then 5 volts and ground from the Raspberry Pi go to the VCC and ground of the relay board, and in the relay board, our two outputs are a light bulb and an extension cord, and on that extension cord we have a 3D printer plugged in, and we are controlling the program through a tablet. So here, if we toggle the light bulb, we can see that it turns on, and if we toggle it again, it turns off. And for the 3D printer, if we press the toggle for the 3D printer, we can see that the screen turns on, which means that the 3D printer is receiving power. And if we turn it off, we see that the screen turned off, which means the 3D printer is no longer receiving power. So that is all for my final project. Additionally, notifications for the toggle were added, so the user can see if so the users are notified when the button or when the switch is toggled.